Welcome to Cinema, Theatre and Depression, the second course. This course is going to be slightly different to the first in that active involvement from all the students who enrol and watch this course is encouraged. And by involvement, I'm referring to the setting of homework. At the end of many of the lectures will be a short film, and you'll be invited to put comments in the question and answers forum. Put as a subject or topic title the lecture number or the lecture title, so I know which one it refers to. The more you contribute, the more others will contribute, and the more enjoyment you'll get from this course. Now, as with the first course, this deals with cinema, theatre and depression. We look at, for example, where kids leave home and the depression that this causes, the death of a loved one, the death of a spouse, war and depression, suicide and depression. What if a family member has depression? What about conflict in the home? What about conflict at work? What about outside pressures? And by outside, as you'll see in the lecture, I mean considerably outside. As before, excerpts from films, etc. will be shown, open for discussion. We also deal with depression and conflict resolution, and also crosswords and depression. We don't touch on Sudoku. We also deal with homelessness and depression. So it's depression, depression, depression throughout, but as shown in the cinema and the theatre. Plenty of extracts, plenty of short films to look at, plenty of homework, plenty of involvement. I hope you enjoy this course, and I hope you don't just enroll and just watch everything passively. Be actively involved. I would like to see your comments. Let's move ahead to Lecture 1.